Hello guys, it is another beautiful week, and of course it is the time for the trending market for the week, where we will be analyzing the market together, check out the market direction for the whole week, and of course we use it as an opportunity to give us an idea of what the market will be giving to us throughout the week. Okay, so this is very important. This has always been giving us positive results on weekly basis. Okay, and we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared in my videos, do your own personal research about it to know how it works, how you can make more money with it, and of course how you should practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on higher time frame, and of course you should be able to balance between the higher time frame and the lower time frame whenever you are trading, because most people will be trading on the lower time frame. This is very important. Okay, now let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with Boom 1000. Okay guys, this is Boom 1000. I'm on daily time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. You can see the power of this trading tool. Okay, the 3M trend Milka trading indicator, it started an uptrend right from here. You can see got to this region, had a major pullback around here. That is why I said you should be able to balance between the higher time frame and the lower time frame. So it continued with the trend. Immediately it got to this region, and of course it started buying and buying and buying. Okay, it got to this resistance zone and finds it difficult to change the direction into a downtrend, and you can see it played around there for a while. Okay, but eventually it broke out above the resistance zone. Okay, and of course it kept on buying again. So this is still fully on uptrend, not until it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, and that as a then, okay, by then it's going to show the necessary signal, which will be the downtrend signal and a sell signal at that point. Okay, so the next asset is going to be Boom 500. Boom 500 had also been on uptrend for a while, got to this region, had a pullback, went back up to break out above it, and of course it has gotten to a new resistance zone. It was unable to break out above it, so right now it is on downtrend. Okay, but if it breaks out above this trend line, then it's going to sell more. Okay, it's going to sell more. Okay, it's just need to break out, below this trend line. Okay, once it breaks out below it, then it's going to sell more, and of course till it gets to this region. Okay, so this is very important. So this is still going to be giving us more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, next asset is going to be Crash 1000. This is Crash 1000, still on daily time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. If you want to know more about this custom made indicator, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp, and of course I can tell you how you can get it. Okay, so this actually started from here, and of course it kept on selling and selling. There are major pullbacks in between, but it's more of a downtrend than an uptrend. It has got into this support zone, it has not been able to break out below it, and of course it's trying to give us an uptrend right from here. If it breaks out above this resistance zone, then it's going to buy more. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of an uptrend if it's unable to break out below this support zone. Okay, next asset is going to be Crash 500. Let's check it out right away. Crash 500 started an uptrend right from here after closing this downtrend. Okay, so it kept on buying and buying. You can see the yellow flag, the blue arrows, and of course it gave us an assurance that this is going to be buying for a very long time, and it's bought for a very long time till it got to this resistance zone. Okay, just the way you're seeing it, and of course it's unable to break out above it, and it has started a downtrend right from there. So this is going to be giving us more of a downtrend than an uptrend. The last asset is going to be V75. Volatility 75 started a downtrend right from here, and you can see it's been on downtrend for a very long time till it got to this support zone. And of course, even with that, if it's unable to break out from there, then it should go back on buy trend. But if it breaks breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. So this is still on downtrend until it's unable to break out below the support zone, and every signals on the chart will also change from a downtrend signal to an uptrend signal. So you should take note of that. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.